To travel is to live. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor. Catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. Mark Twain. So trying to make the most of the weekend we had, a one without social commitments, we packed the bags to go to Oxford Golf Resort, which is close to Mumbai-Bangalore Highway and close to Flames University, approximately 29 kilometers from where I live in Pune. It took us approximately 1 hour to reach the place. The closer you get to the place, the view is breathtaking and worth visiting. Surely gives you a hill station feel. When you enter the property, you feel you are in Dubai with palm trees on both the sides of the road. Golf is an amazing sport and I'm excited to learn more about it, but this view steals my heart. A little about the room tariff. If you book it in advance, you can get a good deal. They have two options, chalet or luxury tents. We decided to go for the chalet.
Can I enter the golf course? Can I go to driving range?
Driving range you can use.
What are the charges?
Charges from the 300 to 400 bucks. We'll do the check with the -2 level
Done,
portion
I'll
is
do
there.
that. I'll do that.
Okay. Number 903.
We reached the reception and were asked to go 2 levels down from where a buggy would take us to our chalet. We sat in the buggy and the way to the chalet was all lush green, well-manicured lawns, greenery all round, and finally the small path covered with trees on both the sides that takes you through the wooden chalet. It looks absolutely gorgeous.
So we just reached Oxford Golf Resort and it's a really nice and pretty property with like a lot of greenery around, and we've just entered our chalet. So before we mess up the room, let me just give you a room tour. So this is how the chalet looks from outside, and then you enter. And this is our room, the space here to keep your luggage. There's some food. I'm very hungry. There's a locker here, and this is the washroom, and this is the room. Really pretty, like wooden. So this is the room and the pretty bed. A small like sitting area over here. And there's this small desk, like if you want to work, and then you have an area out, like a small balcony where there's like a small coffee table with 2 chairs and this amazing view, like this amazing view of the golf course. Isn't this place beautiful? So this is what I'm wearing. It's like a white top with blue denims. They're distressed denims, and it comes with this cute little belt. So this is what I'm wearing. This is like all the food that we've ordered. That's like a lot of food if you can see. So there's pav bhaji here in this one. And we have some french fries as well as aloo papdi chaat and my favorite cold coffee. Let's get started. Hello guys, so I just woke up. So after lunch we decided to sleep for some time. Just woke up and it's around 5 o'clock, but now's the fun part because we're going to the driving range. I'm going there for the first time, so you're gonna be seeing me making a fool out of myself over there, but I think I'm gonna enjoy that, so let's go. So let me tell you something funny that happened. So Man's like, let's go to the driving range, and I was like, yeah, I'm all excited, and I put these clothes on, and though I'm wearing shoes, he's like, what are you wearing? Why are you so fancy going? I said, I didn't carry t-shirts or tops. I didn't know we were going to the driving range. And he's like, are you serious? I was like, yeah, but I have sports shoes. Ta-da-da! So both of us were like laughing over it for like 5 minutes. Is it funny? Because I found it like super funny. Obviously we had not decided because I don't know how to like, I'm not even like close to, or I don't even know what we're gonna be doing there, but yeah, so I'm gonna be like super funny just dancing around, I guess. Driving range and I tried like 1 or 2 balls for the first time and I failed miserably at it. You might have seen the video. It was so funny. Like man was like, take a swing, and I was like, okay, I hope like the clap does not go flying in the air. He's like, hold it tight, and it was funny. But yeah, it's a nice experience and would definitely like come again to try this a lot more often because it's like really close to Pune.
After the driving range, we decided to go back to the chalet and enjoy the sunset from a cute little balcony, simple and beautiful everyday phenomena that you miss because of the hustle bustle of the city life.
Hello, good morning, and I will tell you why am I looking like this early in the morning with makeup a little later. But I just wanted to say I could not end yesterday's video because we went for dinner and there were so many people around us and I didn't want to disturb them because everyone was eating dinner, so I decided not to shoot there. Decided I would end the video once we come back to the room, but we were watching TV and I did not even realize when I went off to sleep, so the day just ended and that's about it. I woke up early in the morning because I wanted to shoot a video. I do my makeup and everything, I get ready And then I take out my camera bag just to realize that I've forgotten my camera battery, so clearly I can't shoot a video. It's such a bummer because like I got all my clothes and accessories and everything along with me, and now I don't have my camera battery, so clearly I cannot shoot. So I'm just sitting over here and enjoying the view. If you're thinking what am I looking at, it's just the golf course. I'm just looking over there, and because a few people are playing over there, so I'm just looking and waiting for my husband to wake up so that we can go for breakfast. And we're checking out today and going back to Pune, and this is such a nice and pretty place. I really like it, and I will surely be coming back here pretty soon because this place is really very pretty. So yes, that's about it, and I really had like a lot of fun. And if I get a chance, then I really want to show you the pool area because it's really very pretty, and I would definitely recommend, like, if you want to go to some place which is very peaceful and good food as well as like good rooms and just want to relax in the resort itself, then I think this place is really good. And I am ready for the day. I decided to lift up my spirits and got ready. So this is what I'm wearing today. It's this black off-shoulder top with the same denims from yesterday and these cute sandals. And yes, hungry and building up an appetite and ready to go and eat.
We had taken the package with breakfast, so we went to the Pasho restaurant for breakfast, which has a breathtaking view. Try taking a table from where you can see the amazing green golf course. I got some watermelon juice, vermicelli upma, and just a bite of noodles because I wanted to taste how the Chinese is. The spread was great for breakfast, but what I enjoyed the most was this amazing view of the pool, the golf course, and everything surrounded by mountains.
Good morning! And now, because I was so interested in golf for the first time, I knew nothing about it. So I was just asking Manat a little about what area is called what. So if you want to know, then he's going to tell us right now. So this is the golf. What is this called?
So as you see, there are three shades. The one where the flag is, that lighter shade, is called the green. The one beyond that, where there is a zigzag checks area, that's called the fairway, and the one beyond that, which is a little rough, is actually called the rough. And even out of bounds, so bushes like this is also called the rough. It's out of bounds. And the white thing is called the bunker. Okay. And traditionally where the people shoot from, so where they start from, it's called the tee box. T-E-E box, teeing box.
Now we've checked out and saying bye-bye to this very pretty chalet. I'm going to sit in this buggy now and we are going back.
On our way back home, enjoying this view for the last time, till we are back again. I don't know where I'm going from here, but I promise it won't be boring. Adios, amigos.